like Sasak language and Sasak Indonesian, Sasak language, Indonesian, and last is English language. Okay, here I want to explain you about the data collection, how we are to translate Sasak into Indonesia and vice versa, right? And the first one is how we are to translate Sasak language articles into Indonesian. The first one is we use interpreting. Why we use interpreting? Because when we ask to understand about the article, of course we must do simple or easier to interpreting itself. And the second one is we understand the story first, so it's easy to translate. Well, ladies and gentlemen, when we are the discuss of our member with my member, we are can choose the article is easier, or we are understand about this article. So it's make us easier to translate the Sasak the Sasak language into Indonesian language. And the second one is the ways to translate articles from Indonesia to English. The first one is using Google Translate. It is also help us to how we are to translate Indonesian and English, Indonesian and English. And the second one is check the result of the translation again, and then we fix the grammar. When we are the translate and we use the Google Translate, we must to discuss with our friends like we are must to correct the grammar, and we check again the grammar because we cannot not the pure of copy paste when we are the translate, right? And the last is discuss with the team the result of the translation and then make it into English. Like I said before, we are to discuss with our member like this grammar wrong or not. So when we are make a conclusion, then we fix it. This article is this article is fixed like that. I think that's enough for me. That's the how we are the data collection in this article, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Okay, next is the obstacle. We'll read by Lisa.
I will explain about obstacle in translating. Number one, no standard regional language carries kinds of certain meanings, and a different writing of word is less likely to be in the original language of writing and reading, words are very different.
Okay, the next is the solution. We'll tell
Okay, I'm here with explanation about the solution from the obstacle from the data collection. Okay, the first solution from translate the regional language into standard Indonesian and then translate it into English. The second, looking for definite source to find out how to read and certain meanings so that they can be translated into English. Okay, thank you.
Okay, maybe that's all from us. Thank you for your nice attention, and then wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.